So here we are here at Fullersburg Woods Forest and Nature Preserve here in Oak Brook, Illinois. We're going to take a tour of this visitor center building right here. So right there is I guess like a board of some nature stuff. There's the tree house that we went in, or the nest. This might be an ant farm, probably. There's a little fossil, like a bone structure of, I don't know what animal exactly. Right in here is supposed to be some snakes and some turtles, but I think the snake might be in that rock laying there. And there's the heat lamp, which I like the effect on. It looks like on camera and in real life. It makes it look nice and red. This might be a frog. No, there was a turtle in there. It was just chilling. Here's some more photos of some other wildlife creatures. Looks like some turtle shells right here. And then I think one of them on the left side is a moth. There's some skulls. One of them is a moth inside there, but those are the shells. Over here by the front desk is some bird statues. I guess it's a map of the forest preserve, maybe, or some photo. I don't know what it is. Right here is inside this tank is an American bullfrog. I don't know where it is though. The water just so it can possibly can't get out. It's probably inside the rock that you just saw. Or there's probably another one right there, maybe. I don't know. There's another heat lamp. And I believe the frog is literally right there. I can see its eyes a little. And it looks black to me. Here's a bird. It's a northern flicker. And then here's some information about the birds. There's a thing on red that says, "Who's for lunch?" on the top. I don't know what that means. Guess for the bird's prey. Here's a ruby-throated hummingbird, which looks like a baby. So I hope you all enjoyed this tour in the Visitor Center of Fullersburg Woods. That'll be it.